Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be having a look at the Bosch dishwasher. This is series 4 with a cutlery tray on the top, and we're going to be having a look at how to take it out. So if we open it up, you can see I've got it loaded up with some stuff. Here's the top tray, and you can see here as it extends, just on the top here you've got your little feet, so all you've got to do is lift it up and it should slide out just like that. And slide it back in. Oh. You can lay it in like that. There you go. So that's it, just there. So you take it out and then you can give it all a good clean and everything. So again, just lift it up and pull out. And slide back in just like that.